Court to make an order that his bakkie, which is at the SAPS Klawer, must be handed to the mother of the deceased for her to sell or to use. Serving part of the sentence already, the Blanche notes the following. The time
Ms. Lini, why must I make that order? If he wants to sell his bakkie, he could have done it months ago and give the money to the family of the deceased. Why must the court make an order? Nothing stopping the accused from doing that or from doing it now or from doing it in the past.
My lady, the bakkie is at the police station still. I have asked the previous prosecutor, Mr. Andrews, if he can release the bakkie, and he said we have to wait until the end. So that is what is wrong. So it is now the end of the case.
It gets released, but I don't need to make an order to that effect.
If the court doesn't need to make the order, the accused wants that to be done. So we will sign the necessary documents so that the family can have the bakkie to sell for their use.
I can confirm that today we had arguments in aggravation and mitigation. Basically, what the defense is asking is for the accused to be sentenced to 30 years because there was the diminished responsibility on his part, which led to his actions. Those were influenced by the occult, and that he also submitted 2 letters. The letters were one of them was to the family where he was asking for forgiveness. But the state also called the mother, but the mother did not testify. A letter was read on behalf of the mother. The letter was very emotional. It moved so many people, including the court officials, where the mother was asking what happened to her child.
Ek het nog steeds slapelose nagte as ek my oë toemaak, hoor ek my kind se geroep na my en ek sien in my geestesoog hoe jy my kind in stukke opgesny word. Môre lyk vir my onmoontlik. Dit voel asof ek my kind gefaal het om te dink. Ek het geboorte gegee in 'n volle liggaam en stukkies teruggekry.
We've opposed what they've asked for, the 30 years. We argued that there's no other sentence that fits this crime other than life imprisonment. Because if you impose 30 years to him, it means after serving a certain amount of imprisonment, he'll be eligible for parole, which means he'll be out in 22 years, which does not it does not equate to justice to the mother who lost her child in a very gruesome manner. We argued that there's nothing special about this accused. He is just another normal murderer who took the life of a 13-year-old boy in a very gruesome manner. And we argued that there's nothing that allows the court to deviate from the prescribed minimum sentence of life imprisonment. And with that, we also quoted the Kyle Reiter's case, which is almost similar to this one, because that murder also was this gruesome, where the child, a person, had body dismembered. So we are coming back on next Monday, where the judge will hand over the sentence, and we hope that she will agree with us and impose a life imprisonment.